Welcome to update number 4 of the monthly only dividend stock portfolio. If you are new here, this is my side project portfolio. If you want to see my main portfolio, check out yesterday's video. That one is held on Robinhood. Now, the idea of this portfolio is to create massive cash flow. Every single company here pays monthly dividends. Some of these are obviously indexes and funds, so they all pay dividends that are monthly. That's what we're looking for here. Now, as far as new acquisitions, I didn't add any since last week, but we did lower our target percentage from Prospect Capital and AGNC, and then I raised the percentage from those two into S&P 500 ETF SPHD. If you guys don't have SPHD in your long-term stock portfolio, you should definitely look at it. They got a low expense ratio, the dividend yield's pretty good, and it helps you diversify because it's an S&P 500. High dividend, low volatility, so it's lower risk as well. They did just do a small dividend cut. It was only about 1%, but that tells us that they're going to continue paying their dividend. They're dedicated to that, so that's a really good company. And then on top of that, Realty Income Corp, it's called the monthly dividend company. They're extremely dedicated to paying their dividends, so if you're a long-term dividend investor, definitely consider investing in them. They are a little bit pricey, but if you have fractional shares, it shouldn't even be a question. They have a good yield, it's real estate, definitely consider getting in on them. Now that's about all I'm going to say about the actual holdings in here. If you guys want to see the holdings, I'll have the pie link in the description. You can definitely take a look at it, or if you want to pause the video now, you can see these holdings and what I have them at. Now, as far as income for the portfolio, we are up to $14 annual income. It's about $1 a month, which isn't much, but you got to remember this portfolio is only $244. We just started it, we're still building it and trying to get our allocations right. Like I said, I wanted to decrease AGNC and Prospect Capital and increase SPHD to try to help fix this dividend growth. I want to get it to 2%. That's kind of a good goal for the portfolio, I think. Obviously, dividend yield is going to go down as the market slowly recovers, as those prices rise, so not too worried about that. I think 4.5% is a realistic dividend yield for this. We'll see how it pans out. I'm not going to really try for a specific yield. I'm more focused on this dividend growth and keeping it somewhat diversified. Since we last talked, I didn't add any new funds, but we did have 15 buys. Pretty much bought every company to its target allocation, and then we also got 4 dividends. Already, we just started this portfolio in June. We're already getting paid from it, so that pretty much wraps up the weekly update though. Like I said, we got those 4 dividends, which was exciting. Starting this month, we should be getting paid from every one of these companies in here. If you guys have any questions about any of these companies or any stocks in general, consider joining the Discord. It's a really easy place for us to have those discussions. It's completely free to join. But yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow with another one.